Why she can't replace a man who does this. Hey man, let me ask you something. Why is it that some men get forgotten the moment they're gone, while others stay burned into her memory forever? Why do some women move on instantly, while others secretly compare every man after to the one they lost? Why does she keep coming back in her mind, even if she'll never admit it out loud? It's not money. It's not looks. It's not status. It's one thing, one behavior, one way of living that makes her realize he's irreplaceable. And that one thing is being the man who leaves an imprint on her soul instead of just her life. This isn't about what you buy her or what you say to her or how much attention you give. It's about the way you live and the way you carry yourself that makes her understand no matter who comes after him, he was different. Now, let's see the reasons why she is still thinking about you. 1. The man whose world doesn't revolve around her. Most men orbit women like planets around the sun, but the man she can't replace, he makes her orbit him. His mission, his work, his purpose come first, and she feels the gravity of it. 2. The giver who never becomes empty. Weak men give everything until there's nothing left, but the unforgettable man gives from abundance. He never sacrifices his dignity, his boundaries, or his self-respect. That balance makes her respect him deeply. 3. The one who can leave without looking back. She can't replace a man who isn't afraid to walk away. Why? Because he proves he values himself more than her validation. That decision echoes in her mind long after he's gone. 4. The fortress of calm strength. Not by being soft, but by being strong. His stability, his calmness, his control over himself, they create a space where she feels secure. That security becomes addictive. 5. The master of his own storm. He feels emotions, but he never lets them own him. His control under pressure, his calm in conflict, it makes him rare. That strength is unforgettable. 6. The man who chooses never chases. Neediness makes most men invisible, but the man she remembers didn't need her, he wanted her. And because it was choice, not desperation, she knew she was in the presence of a man who had options. 7. The untouchable mind. She knows games won't work on him. He sees through tests, tricks, and traps instantly. That unshakable awareness makes her respect him in a way no average man ever could. 8. The fire that forces her to rise. Mediocre men keep women comfortable, but the man she remembers challenges her to grow. With him, she felt herself become better, and she'll always crave that feeling again. 9. The one who walks free while others remain chained. At the core, she can't replace him because he lived free. Free from fear, free from need, free from control. And once a woman feels what it's like to be with a man who belongs to himself, no one compares.